Hi there, I just finished exploring Dubverse.ai and I have to say I'm really impressed with what it can do. The very first thing that stood out to me was how natural and human-like the AI voices sounded. A lot of tools out there feel robotic or flat, but here the voices carry actual tone and expression. When I played back my first project, I honestly had to double-check if it wasn't a real person speaking. The experience starts off really simple. The interface is clean, so you don't waste time trying to figure out how things work. Within minutes, I had uploaded a video, chosen my settings, and Dubverse was already generating voiceovers. The speed was kind of shocking because usually with AI dubbing you expect to wait around, but here results came through almost instantly. One of the best parts about Dubverse is the AI dubbing feature. It doesn't just translate your video into another language. It delivers a voiceover that actually keeps the emotion and rhythm of the original content. This is huge if you're making content for an international audience. Instead of your message sounding flat or out of sync, the tool makes sure the translated version feels just as engaging as the one you created. Then there's the AI subtitles. This is something I didn't expect to like as much, but the accuracy was spot on. The subtitles sync perfectly with the voice, no awkward delays or mismatches. It's all automated, so you don't have to sit there adjusting timing, which saves hours of manual editing. Watching back, the text was clear, precise, and easy to follow, which is exactly what you want if you're publishing content to platforms where captions are key. Another highlight is the text-to-speech functionality. If you don't have a recorded voice or don't want to hire voice talent, you can just type out what you want said, pick a voice and tone, and within seconds Dubverse creates a professional-sounding narration. This is especially useful for explainer videos, e-learning content, or even quick marketing clips. Honestly, it cuts down on production costs a lot while still keeping things high quality. I also need to mention Dubverse API. For developers or businesses that want to integrate AI voice into their own apps or workflows, this is a game changer. The API is designed to be fast with super low latency, under half a second. That means it works for real-time applications too, like customer support bots or interactive training tools. It feels like they really thought about both creators and businesses. Something else that really caught my eye was Dubverse, their voice cloning feature. This is where things get exciting because you can actually create custom voices, add emotion, and even support multiple languages in a single project. The result is a lot more dynamic, almost like having an entire cast of actors at your disposal. It makes your videos feel alive and unique instead of generic. Now, of course, I wanted to know what actual users thought. Looking at reviews, the reaction is mixed. On Trustpilot, Dubverse sits at around a 3.2 trust score, which shows that while a lot of people find it easy to use and effective, others think there's room to improve. Some complaints revolve around user experience and slower customer support, especially when people run into complex projects. On the flip side, many users praised how intuitive it is. A lot of people mention that Dubverse helps them reach global audiences quickly, breaking down language barriers in just a few clicks. And honestly, that's something I felt too. Being able to create multilingual content so effortlessly feels like a big step forward for content creators. But, like with any tool, there are drawbacks. Some users point out that while the AI voices are good, they're not always perfect. There are still moments when they don't sound completely human. Lip syncing can also be slightly off depending on the video. And sometimes the system slows down if you're processing a lot at once. These are areas Dubverse still needs to polish. As for language support, it's pretty impressive. You get access to around 30 languages, not just English, French, or Spanish, but also Hindi, Bengali, Chinese, and more. That means whether your audience is in Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, you have options. For me, that global reach is a huge plus because audiences are more diverse than ever. When it comes to pricing, Dubverse is pretty flexible. They offer a free trial, which is perfect if you just want to test it out. Then there's a Pro plan at around $18 a month, and a Supreme plan at about $30 a month. The higher tiers give you advanced perks like voice cloning, GPT-4 translation, faster processing, no watermarks, and longer video support. If you're a regular content creator, the value is definitely there. So overall, my take on Dubverse.ai is that it's a powerful and reliable AI dubbing tool that delivers exactly what it promises. It's fast, it's easy to use, and it works across so many different types of content. Whether you're an individual creator, a small business, or even a larger company looking to localize training or marketing material. If you're working on YouTube videos, online courses, or marketing campaigns that need to go beyond your local language, Dubverse is absolutely worth trying. Even just playing around with the free version will show you how much time and effort it can save, while still giving you professional-looking results. At the end of the day, I think Dubverse.ai gives creators the chance to expand their voice worldwide without needing huge budgets or teams of translators. And that's really what makes it special. It democratizes global content creation. So if you've been looking for a way to make your content more international and engaging, my honest recommendation is to give Dubverse.ai a try. Start with the free plan, experiment with your videos, and see for yourself how much easier it makes the whole process. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this review. If you found this helpful, go ahead and check out Dubverse.ai today. Try it out, push your content beyond borders, and connect with audiences everywhere. You'll be surprised at just how far your videos can go.